Hi, in previous lecture I discussed some regular expression. Now I'll discuss some more regular expression. First language length of the string is even. Even means it will accept length 0, length 2, length 4, length 6, length 8 like this. So how will obtain a string of length even? Length 2 you can obtain by 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 power 2. From that you can obtain length 2. You can obtain 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. If you will write whole clean closure, okay, and clean closure means what? It can be 0, it can be length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4, then 2 multiplied by 0 it will be 0, length 0 you can obtain, then 2 multiplied by 1, length 2, 2 multiplied by 2, length 4, 2 multiplied by 3, length 6 like this. So you can get all even length by writing just clean closure. Length of this string is even. Regular expression is 0 plus 1 power 2 whole clean closure. Next, length of the string is odd. Odd means it will accept length 1, length 3, then length 5, then length 7, length 9 like this. So how will get this? If we'll write length 1, then length even like 0, 2, 4, 6 like this. Then 1, 0 it will be 1. Then 1 plus 2 it will be 3. Then 1 plus 4 it will be 5. 1 plus 6 it will be 7. If you do concatenation length 1 with length even. So length 1 how will get? You just write 0 plus 1. That will be length 1. Then even we already found even. You just write even here 0 plus 1 power 2 then whole clean closure. So from this you will get even, from this you will get length 1. Length 1 concat length even you will get length odd. So regular expression will be 0 plus 1 concatenation 0 plus 1 power 2 whole clean closure. So this is the length of the string is odd. Next language, every string start with 0 and length of the string is even. Every string start with 0. 0 length is 1. So it will not accept length 0. It will not accept epsilon. It will accept minimum 0, 0, then 0, 1. Start with 0 and length is even. So for start with 0, you will write 0. For that second alphabet, you can write 0 plus 1. So from this, you can get 0, 0. Then you can get 0, 1. You get just length 2. How will get length 4, 6, 8? So what you will do, you just write length even, that is 0 plus 1 power 2, then whole clean closure. So from this you can obtain of length 0, length 2, then 4, 6, 8 like this. And this is already 2. So 2 concatenation 0 you will get length 2, then length 4, length 6 like this. So regular expression for every string start with 0 and length of the string is even is 0 concatenation 0 plus 1 concatenation 0 plus 1 power 2 whole clean closure. Next language, every string start with 1 and length of the string is odd. Odd means it will accept length 1, length 3, length 5, length 7 like this. And here it is written start with 1. So minimum string it will accept 1. It will not accept 0 because it is start with 1. Then it will accept 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. It is length 3. Then 1, 1, 1 like this length 3. So first alphabet should be 1. This is length 1. Then if we'll add of length even, like length 0, 2, then 4. So 1 plus 0 it will be 1, 1 plus 2 it will be 3, 1 plus 4 it will be 5. So what you will do after 1, you just write a regular expression for even. Like you just write 0 plus 1 power 2 then whole clean closure. So from this you will generate length 0, 4, 2, 4 like this, and from this length 1. So after concatenation it will generate length odd. So every string start with 1 and length of the string is odd. Regular expression is 1 concatenation 0 plus 1 power 2 whole clean closure. This one for start with 1, then this is even. So length 1 plus even, that will be odd. Next language, every string start with 0 and doesn't contain two consecutive 1. Which string it will accept? It will accept single 0, then it will accept 0 1, it will accept 0 0, it will accept 0 1 0, but it will not accept 0 1 1 because here two 1 are there. It should start with 0 and it don't contain two consecutive 1. Don't contain two consecutive 1 means you can write 0 1 plus. 0 1 plus means it will be 0 1 0 1 0 1 like repetition. From this you can generate single 0 1, then 0 1 0 1, then 0 1 0 1 0 1 like this. And it will also accept 0 plus, like single 0 it will accept, then 0 0 0 it will accept, then 0 0 0 0, any number of 0. Minimum should be single 0 it will accept. So what you can write? You can write 0 plus 0 1 whole positive closure. 0 plus 0 1 whole positive closure. So this is start with 0, this is start with 0, then any combination of this. So every string start with 0 and doesn't contain two consecutive 1. Regular expression is 0 plus 0 1 whole positive closure. Next language, every string doesn't contain two consecutive 0 or two consecutive 1. If we'll write 0 1 clean closure, then you can generate 0 1 0 1 0 1 like this, and it don't contain any two consecutive 0 or consecutive 1. But it is starting with 0. If you want to start with 1, then what you will do, you just write 1 plus epsilon, and it is end with 1. If you want to end with 0, then what you will do, you just write 0 plus epsilon. Then here it can start with 1, or when epsilon it can start with 0. It can end with 1 when epsilon, and it can end with 0. And for this you can simply write 0 1 clean closure. So regular expression will be 1 plus epsilon 0 0 1 clean closure, then concatenation 0 plus epsilon. From this you can generate every string that doesn't contain two consecutive 0 or two consecutive 1. Same thing you can write in term of 1 0 also. Like 1 0 clean closure. From this you can generate 1 0 1 0 1 0 like this. And before that, suppose you want to start with 0, then you can simply write 0 plus epsilon. And after that, suppose you want to end with 1, you can simply write 1 plus epsilon. So epsilon means it will end with 0, 1 means it will end with 1. Here it can start with 0 or it can start with 1. Either you can write this or you can write this. Both are correct. So every string doesn't contain two consecutive 0 or two consecutive 1. Regular expression is 1 plus epsilon, concatenation 0 1 whole clean closure, 0 plus epsilon, or 0 plus epsilon 1 0 whole clean closure, 1 plus epsilon. Next language, if it is 0 power n, n greater than equal to 0, means minimum n value will be 0, then it can 1, 2, 3 like this. So 0 power can be 0, then it will accept epsilon, then 0 power can be 1, then 0 power can be 2. Which string it will accept? It will accept epsilon, then single 0, then 0 0, then 0 0 0, then 0 0, any number of 0 like this. So that you can simply write 0 clean closure. When n greater than equal to 0, regular expression is 0 clean closure. Then 0 power n, n greater than equal to 1, minimum it will accept single 0, then it will accept 0 0, then 0 0 0 like this. So you can simply write 0 positive closure. It will accept single 0, 2 0, any number of 0. It will not accept epsilon as n is not equal to 0. When n greater than equal to 1, r equal to 0 positive closure. Next language, if 0 power m, 1 power n, m greater than equal to 0, n greater than equal to 0, you can simply write 0 clean closure and 1 clean closure. That is the regular expression for this. Next, 0 power m, 1 power n, m is greater than 1, n is greater than 1. You can write 0 positive closure, 1 positive closure. If it is 0 power m, 1 power n, m is greater than equal to 1, n is greater than equal to 0. Minimum it will accept single 0 as m value greater than equal to 1, and n can be 0. So which string it will accept? It will accept single zero minimum, then it will accept 0, 1, then it will accept 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 like this. Any number of 0 followed by any number of 1, but minimum there should be single 0. So regular expression will be 0 positive closure, 1 clean closure. From this minimum 1 0 will generate, from this epsilon or any number of 1 will generate. Next language 0 1 power n greater than or equal to 0. You can simply write 0 1 clean closure. So this is the regular expression for 0 1 power n. Next language 0 power m, 1 power n, m plus n is even. Even plus even is even, odd plus odd is even. So if we are writing 0 0 whole clean closure, 1 1 whole clean closure, that will generate even number of 0 followed by even number of 1. Even plus even, that is even. Then if we are writing 0, then 0 0 whole clean closure, 1 1 1 whole clean closure, that will generate odd number of 0 followed by odd number of 1, and odd plus odd, that is even. From 0 0 whole clean closure, what will generate? It will generate epsilon, it will generate single 0 0, then it will generate 0 0 0 0, 4 0, when this will be 2, then it can generate 6 0, and from 0, then 0 0 clean closure. From this you can generate single 0, then 0 0 0, you can generate odd number of 0, then you can generate 5 0 like this. So to get even, you can add even plus even or odd plus odd. Next language 0 power m, 1 power n, m plus n is odd. To get odd, it should be even plus odd or odd plus even. So to get sum as odd, you can add even with odd or you can add odd with even. So number of 0 is odd, number of 1 is even. You can write 0, then 0 0 whole clean closure, concatenation 1 1 whole clean closure. From this you will get odd number of 0, and from 1 1 whole clean closure you will get even number of 0. And here even number of 0 and 1 1 whole clean closure, this is odd number of 1. So odd plus even or even plus odd, you will get odd. To get m plus n equal to odd, you can add even plus odd or odd plus even. So regular expression for m plus n equal to odd is 0, concatenation 0 0 clean closure, then 1 1 whole clean closure, plus 0 0 whole clean closure, 1 1 whole clean closure, 1. This is odd number of 0, even number of 1, even number of 0, odd number of 1. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.